Hello friends, today we have to prove there does not exist integers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 100 and GCD of x and y is equal to 3 means ऐसी एक भी पेयर ने इंटीजर्स के x and y such that their addition x plus y is equal to 100 आने वाला है and their GCD will 3. This is never possible. Now let's prove this by contradiction. Let's prove this by contradiction. So suppose there exist integers x and y such that their addition is 100 such that x plus y is equal to 100 and one more condition GCD of x and y is equal to 3. GCD means greatest common divisor. Now as 3 is equal to GCD of xy, this implies 3 divide x and 3 also divides y, because 3 is greatest common divisor. It is common divisor, so it divides both numbers. Now 3 divide x, 3 divide y, this implies 3 divide x into 1 plus y into 1. Now why this is? So because, now recall this result, if a divides b and a divides c, then a also divides any combination of b and c, means a divide b into x plus c into y for all x comma y belongs to z. तो यहाँ पे भी 3x को डिवाइड कर रहा था, y को डिवाइड कर रहा था, तो x और y का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन ले लो, 3 divides x into 1 plus y into 1, that is 3 divides x plus y. But what is value of x plus y? X plus y is 100, so this implies 3 divides 100. So this is not correct, because 100 cannot be written as 3 into some integer. 100 3 का multiple नहीं है, so 3 divides 100. This is incorrect. So which is contradiction. And therefore there does not exist integer x and y such that x plus y is equal to 100 and GCD of xy is equal to 3. ऐसी पेयर ही नहीं मिलेगी हमको कि जिनके एडिशन 100 आ रही है और GCD is equal to 3 है. दोनों कंडीशन एक साथ कभी ट्रू नहीं होंगे. ओके, सो थैंक यू.